So most brokerages only let you make money one way, selling houses. Commission check to commission check. And guess what? You do it again and again and again. But at eXp Realty, it's totally different. There's actually 3 ways that you can make money at eXp Realty. So if you're tired of living commission check to commission check, you're gonna wanna hear this. Hey guys, my name is Carolyn Castillo, and I want to break down these 3 income streams for you in plain English on exactly how it really works to be with an eXp agent. So the first one that I want to share is revenue share. And this is one, to be honest, I didn't really understand when I first got here. So everybody's curious about it, but how does it actually work? Well, in basic terms, if you bring another agent into eXp Realty, the company shares a small piece of that revenue from their deals with you. So it doesn't come out of their pocket, it comes out of the eXp side. So think of this kind of like rental income. You do the work once by introducing someone into eXp Realty, and as long as they keep selling homes, you, my friend, have a steady income stream coming in. So let me tell you, this barely adds up quickly. If you get a few solid agents on your team, you're going to be getting that mailbox money. Now, the second way that people make money at eXp Realty is through stock and ownership. So traditional brokerages, you can be there for 10 years and literally walk away with nothing. At eXp Realty, you earn stock in the company for just doing the things you're already doing, like closing your first deal of the year, when you hit your cap, when agents get introduced to close their first transaction, you get a stock every time. So this means just working for your brokerage, you're actually becoming an owner in it. And since eXp is publicly traded, that stock has real value and you can cash it in down the road. Sometimes I take a look at my stock account and I'm like, dang, you don't even know that it's adding up, and it's an awesome way to make an additional income. And the third piece doesn't sound like money, but it absolutely leads to income, and that's collaboration. At eXp, you get access to the top agents all over the country who are teaching live classes every single week. I have literally picked up strategies from luxury agents, from investors, from team leaders that honestly, guys, I would have never had access to in my small little local office. And this has helped me grow my business faster, which obviously has led to more money in my pocket. So that's it, guys. Revenue share, stock ownership, and world-class collaboration. These 3 income streams not only build long-term wealth at eXp, instead of just chasing your next commission check. So if you want to know more about how this works in real life, check out the links below in the description and book a call with me, because I would be happy to share my experience with you and walk you through it.